What is a load balancer? Think of it like a traffic cop for your web server. When user visits your application, load balancer decides which request is routed to which server so that no single server is overloaded. Today we will discuss the top 6 load balancing algorithms which are broadly categorized into two types, static and dynamic. In static load balancing, requests are distributed to server without considering server real-time conditions and performance metrics. They are simple but have less adaptability and precision. Whereas dynamic load balancers adapts in real time based on active performance and server conditions. Round robin load balancing algorithm. They are the simplest one. Rotates requests evenly, but the major disadvantage with them is they can overload the server if not monitored. Sticky round robin algorithm. Here, subsequent requests from same user are mapped to same server. The goal is to send related data on same server. Here, new users are assigned randomly, leading to uneven loads. Weighted round robin algorithm. Here, we assign different weight and priorities to different servers. Higher the weight or priority, more requests are sent to that server. This algorithm adds heterogeneous server capabilities, but the weights are manually configured. IP or URL hash algorithm. Use a hash function to map requests to servers. Uses IP or request URL as input to find where to route the request. Can evenly distribute request if function is chosen wisely, but selecting an optimal hash function is a challenge here. Now let's discuss dynamic load balancing algorithms which are based on active performance and server conditions. Least connection algorithm. Here, requests are sent to the server with least number of active connections. This algorithm requires actively tracking number of active requests on each server. The main advantage here is new request adaptively routed to server with most remaining capacity. Least time algorithm. Here, requests are sent to the server with lowest latency or fastest response time. Latency for each server has to be continuously measured in this algorithm. This algorithm is highly adaptive and reactive, but also require continuous monitoring, causing significant overhead and complexity. Always think of capabilities, performance, and constraints when selecting a load balancing strategy. So, static algorithms are good for stateless application, whereas the dynamic algorithms help us optimize response times and are best for large complex applications.